Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tecno. In this I'm going to compare the 3D benchmark wildlife test comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. So all the four smartphones, they do have the different processors. Starting with the first is the Realme X7 Max device, and second is the iQOO 7 device, and third is the Realme GT Neo 2, and fourth is the iPhone 12. So all the four smartphones, they do have different processor. Like these two phones, they do have the Snapdragon 870 and Dimensity 1200 in the Realme X7 Max device, and iPhone has got the Apple's A14 Bionic chipset. Let's see friends, which phone will be having what kind of 3D life benchmark test scores. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So this is a simulation which will be running for the first, I think maybe 1 minute of time. Continuous simulation will be going on, and after this we'll try to get the results and we'll try to observe how much difference it's going to be there between the Snapdragon 870s and Dimensity 1200. In case if you want me to include any other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll try to include those other phones as well in my videos upcoming. Right now you should be able to see the results, what's going on at this moment. So let's see how much powerful the Apple's A14 Bionic chipset can be there and how much difference it can be there between these phones. So this only for 1 minute of testing, only not long time testing. So it should be kind of very quick and fast. And it's done, all the three Android phones are done, and we got the score about shocking. In the Realme X7 Max, after the Android 12 update, the score increased to 4529. That's really huge score. Wow, that's pretty high. So first highest is obviously in the Apple's A14 Bionic chipset, which got about 8352. I mean 8352, as you can see, 50 FPS is average maintaining during this simulation test, 50 FPS. And next highest is in the Realme X7 Max with 27 FPS is the highest. That's good. And 25.40, 25.40, both phones. iQOO 7 and the Realme GT Neo 2 both have the same kind of scores, wildlife test scores, as you can clearly see friends, which we got the results at this moment. So next test, I'm going to use the Ultra game mode. Let me try to enable the GT mode as well. There's a GT mode which is present here, and high performance mode and Ultra game mode, everything I'll try to enable, and I'll try to close this application and reopen this application again. So let's go to the Realme X7 Max and enable the high performance mode. Let's see, using the high performance mode and using with this kind of Ultra game mode, how much score difference we can actually improve between all of these three smartphones. So iPhone was like really out of the league, like it's really good. So it's pretty high in the iPhone. You can clearly see friends how much high it is. And now let me to open the 3D Bench application. Right now Ultra game mode is turned on. Let me to turn on again. You should be able to see the Ultra game mode indications. Yeah, as you can see, Ultra game mode is on, high performance mode is on, and GT mode is also on. Exactly. Now let's start the test again. Let's go to the back and benchmarks. Let's see this time, after using high performance mode and GT mode and everything, Ultra game mode. So Realme X7 Max has got very high score when compared with these two Snapdragon 870s, which you can clearly see friends in the 3D Bench results, which will definitely show you the exact scenario what's going on in all of these four devices anyway. When I did not expect this kind of high scores in the Realme X7 Max. After the Realme UI 3.0 update only, this kind of high scores I'm getting in the Realme X7 Max device. Exactly. Before I did not get this kind of high scores in the Realme X7 Max. Only after the updates I'm getting like this. Right now, as you can see the results, what's going on. Right now you should be able to see exactly events, and I think iPhone did finish first and iQOO 7 device and other phones next. This time we got high scores in the Realme X7 Max, which scored about 4670. That's very high when compared with the before score. That's really good. And we got about FPS, 28 FPS it's maintaining, and 25.30 FPS it's maintaining, and 25.60 FPS it's maintaining. As you can see, the Realme GT Neo 2 and iQOO 7 device and the Realme X7 Max device clearly. And iPhone definitely when it's pretty high, very high when compared with other smartphones in the wildlife testing, which you can clearly see what's happening. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick comparison between all of these four smartphones regarding the wildlife 3D benchmark testing. And in case if you are interested in any other videos, let me know in the comments below. And meanwhile, signing off, and it's really shocking to see Realme X7 Max performing like so well after the Android 12 update in terms of the performance. I'm not mentioning in terms of battery and everything, but maybe in terms of the performance, it got slightly maybe boosted up. I think so, because there's huge difference. Snapdragon 870 and this damage to 1200. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Bye.